Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we share information about work from home jobs and ESL teaching jobs. Disclaimer, I am not affiliated with or connected to any of the companies featured on this channel. I am simply share information and opportunities that may be helpful to job seeker. Please do your own research and verify details before applying to any job or company. Dito po ay mamimili po ako ng mabibigyan ng ₱50 GCash. Hi guys! Sa video ito guys, we will talk about We Hear If FM. So ito ay, ang trabaho dito guys is magiging narrator ka ng mga books. Ikaw yung magna-narrate, ikaw yung magbibigay buhay, magbibigay boses ng mga libro, ikaw yung magbabasa at magbibigay ng mga emotion doon sa mga character. So, dito guys is pwede kang kumita ng pera by using your voice if you have a nice voice. And then, you can find a books na medyo, dito guys, kung i-click natin tong hat, ayan, gagawa ka muna dito, magla-login ka muna ng iyong sariling account dito sa We Hear FM. And then, try to listen kung paano nila gawin dito, guys, yung voice narration. Ayan. Let's try this. And you can listen.
Soulmates. Written by Phoenix. Narrated by Jack Ainsworth. Prologue. Riverdale, 2001. On a stormy night, a little girl was running out on the streets, not minding the pouring rain. She was crying and trembling because of the cold and of fear. She was shouting for help, asking the cars passing by to stop and help her. "Help! Please help me!" she shouted at the deserted road. Then she saw a car coming her way. She ran in the middle of the street and braced herself for the impact if the driver would not stop. She was almost run over by the car, but the driver was quick enough to step on the brakes when he saw her on the road. He opened his car window and shouted at the girl. "Are you crazy, little girl? Do you want to die?" He shouted at the girl angrily.
So, yun po yung example, guys. Talagang, kung gustong-gusto mo ang trabahong ito, pwede kang pumunta ngayon sa Google Chrome at i-search mo ang We Hear FM. Gumawa ka na at mag-login ka na ng sarili mong account dito. And then, let's, okay. Kung dito guys, ito yung gagawin natin guys. Ito yung dapat mong gawin. Before ka mag-apply dito guys, ito yung mga dapat gawin. We're looking for audio narrators to join We Hear platform. Love reading and have a nice voice. Have experience in voice acting or audiobooks. Audio book narrating. Be able to deliver edited, proofed, and mastered audio files. What you get if you join us? Earn money by doing what you love. Boost your narrating career and get recognized. Attract worldwide audiences and expand your influence. How it works. 1. Send demo and CV to us. Name your own rate per finish hour. Work with the editors to select books. Receive the offer and sign the contract. Start recording and upload weekly. Get paid. Submission instruction. To produce a demo, you will need all of the usual voice-over equipment, microphone, headphones, computer, and recording editing software. You can choose any book using the demo. We highly recommend you to choose a part including dialogues or dramatic scenes that can characterize your voice better. The demo should be recorded in stereo, 16-bit, 44.k K256 kbps MP3 file format, measure between 23 dB and 18 dB RMS, and have 3 dB peak values and a maximum of 60 dB noise floor. Binabasa ko lang to pero hindi ko to alam ha. Okay, CV. Once you feel satisfied with the demo, please send it to us with your resume. Your resume should include, but it is not limited to, the information below. Your name, you can use a stage name if you prefer that, a 100 to 150 words summary to describe your voice talent and what makes your voice and approach unique narrator experience. So you can apply now. This is the email address. Simply send your demo and CV to voices@wehear.com. So you can record your voice now, start reading a book, find a book that um, meron siyang meron siyang mga scenes na guys, yung dama-dama talaga yung sa nakikinig sa'yo, na binibigyan mo talaga ng buhay yung mga character doon sa binabasa mo. And then, um, ano pa? Ayun nga, yun, meron silang mga, yung dapat files na dapat isisend mo sa kanila. So, dito guys, kailangan mo talaga ng magandang microphone. Kasi magre-record ka ng voice dito eh. I-record mo yung paano mo basahin yung Ayan guys. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video ito guys. And then you can make your own, or no, create your own account in WeHear if FM, and then pwede kayong mag-search or sa YouTube kung paano ito gawin, and for more information about this job. So yun lang guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo for today's video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.